Hi.
Hi.
Explain here what you did.
Well, I'm trying to do a doghouse.
Which was formerly a...
Birdhouse, but it's too big for a bird.
Okay, can you explain to me some of the dimensions and the process that you took to build this marvelous doghouse slash cage slash ex birdhouse slash table? Can you explain the dimensions and the process?
This wood you see right here, I cut it by hand.
How do you know that one specifically?
Because I did this part.
All of them? All four of them?
This, that one, and that one, that one.
Oh, with your own bare hands? Let me see those hands. Your hands are red. Those are working hands. Can I touch it? Oh. And then? Come on, explain.
And then to be continued.
Come on, tell me, please.
To be continued.
And look up his stomach.
Honey bun bun. Honey bun bun. How did Lorenzo do? Hombre de pocas palabras.
Jimmy Carter. No, it wasn't him.
No, it wasn't Coolidge.
Coolidge. Calvin Coolidge.
What was he called? What was he dubbed?
The quietest president, like.
What would he do?
He wouldn't talk. He would only say a few words.
That was your favorite president?
No, I like him because it was funny, you know. There was a dinner, and there was a lady going to a dinner at the White House where he was at, and she's like, she made a bet with her friend. How much you wanna bet I can make him say 3 words? And she told him that, and he said, "You lose."
Yeah, Bobby, you heard the story that Samantha just said? Babe, you heard the story that Samantha just said?
Okay, so Calvin Coolidge was a president, right? And he was known for being really quiet, a man of few words, right? And so there was this lady going to dinner at his house, like a dinner party at his house, and she made a dare with her friend or something like that, like saying, "How much you want to bet I can make him say 3 words," right? And she told him that, and he said, "You lose." Crickets.
I don't get it.
She said, "You lose 2 words." He's very quiet. He's like, "You lose." He only said 2 words. It's supposed to be 3 words. So she wins. He said, "You lose." It's messed up.
¿Quién le dijo? You lose.
Yeah. That's true story.
That was the president.
Ella le estaba haciendo el cuento al presidente.
She told him that she had made a bet saying, I made a bet with my friend saying I can make you say 3 words. And he's like, "You lose."
That was clever. Puppy, you have no sense of humor. Babe, you have no sense of humor. You want to laugh. I know you want to laugh.
That was a fail. I said Jimmy Carter. It was supposed to be Calvin Coolidge.
Calvin Coolidge. Babe,
Yo, hay mosquito.
do you want to laugh? ¿Serán las piececitas de madera?
¿De qué?
Que pica, pica.
No, mosquito. La
Pero a
madera
esta
no
hora.
pica. ¿Tú no lo sabes?
No, no veo.
Ah, bueno. Pues tienes eso negro.
Estarían picándome más a mí que a ti.
Man, you should just make vlogs because you videotape everything. Just make vlogs and post it on YouTube. Vlog number 1. PDA.
Hi, honey bun bun.
Everybody say bye, Felicia.
Nobody likes me.
Bye, Felicia.
I'm not appreciated in this family.
Oye, woe is me.
Sí, es mosquito.
Cierra. Lori, vas a dejar tu mesa slash cage slash What's wrong with that?
Ew, why is February already? Ugh.
Leave it.
That's ugly. Ugly. Stop recording me.
I was